is filled with water, we will see the last hole, the deeper hole will be having more pressure, the middle one will be having somewhat less pressure, and the top one will be having lesser pressure than two of them. Okay, so what does it shows? It shows that with the depth, the pressure of the liquid increases. Okay, so next is the pressure of the liquid is same in all the direction at the same. They are telling that, for example, we are taking one beaker, on the same depth we have done four holes. Okay, they are telling that from each hole the water will come with the same pressure. Why? Because at the same height the pressure of the liquid applied is same. Okay, now the next is pressure of a liquid does not depends upon the shape and size of a container. So they have taken three beakers of different shapes. See, one is somewhat large, broader, and some extra broader. Okay, on the same height they have done the holes on three of these beakers. So we will see the liquid, then we will pour water inside. We will see with the equal pressure the water will come out. Okay, in three of the containers. So what does it shows? It shows that the pressure of the liquid will not increase or decrease if the shape and size is different. Okay, so next is बच्चे Pascal's law. Very important. What is Pascal's law? बच्चे Pascal laws explains that the pressure applied to the liquid is transmitted equally in all the direction. That when a liquid applies pressure, it applies the pressure in all the direction. Okay, in all the direction. So here they have taken explained it with one example. They have taken a polythene bag, they have filled it with the water. Okay, several holes are made. Then when they are squeezing it gently. So what they see is, they see that the water is coming out with equal force in all the direction. Doesn't mean that in one hole it is coming, in other hole it is not coming. It is coming in the three of the holes. Okay, so this is explaining Pascal's law. What is Pascal's law? Very important. It states that the pressure applied to a liquid is transmitted equally in all the directions. Okay, so these are some of the question related to this which we have to solve it. Okay, so बच्चे next is pressure exerted by gases or air. So बच्चे we know that the gases also exert pressure. Okay, so the pressure exerted by gases on the earth is called as atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? It is your question, back exercise question also. The pressure exerted by the air at any point of on the earth, that is called as atmospheric pressure. Okay, so here also they have shown one demonstration. So they have taken a funnel, they have tied it with a rubber sheet in its mouth, then they have connected to the stem. The stem is connected with a rubber tube.